In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix laptop battery not charging problem. Let's start by clicking on the search bar icon below and type in Troubleshoot settings. Then open the app. In here, click on the other troubleshooters or additional troubleshooters. Now navigate to the power, then click on the run the troubleshooter. Wait for it to finish detecting issues. Then after detecting it, it should automatically fix the issue, if there's one. After that, try to plug in the charger of your laptop and see if the battery is now charging. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.